Welcome to the Gallagher Law Essay Training Schools. You are here to learn to write the essays for the New York bar exam, and I am here to teach you systems so that no matter what the New York bar examiners put on your table for writing on the essay, you are able to give it back to them as a perfectly formed, perfectly executed bar exam essay, a lawyer-like piece of work. What we are going to do is to repeat and repeat certain techniques, certain systems, so that you become like a robot, so that you are automatically responding to every bar exam essay question. You know what to do first, what to do second, what to do third. We will do it over and over again, systems wrote, under stress, and the bar exam is stress. You are not at your most intelligent. You want to have things so much under control that you do not have to think. Let me tell you briefly who I am. I am a writer. I am a PhD in linguistics from the University of Illinois, also studied at MIT. I have a law degree from Harvard Law School, and I have written and published in a number of national publications in the United States. I have also written in technical publications for lawyers and for law students, and you may in fact have received and read some of those papers that I have published. What I have learned over the 16 years, that's 32 New York bar exams, is which questions are most frequently asked, which areas of law are most frequently tested, which rules of law are most frequently demanded by the bar examiners. We are not going to give you here an encyclopedic coverage of New York law. What I am going to do is to provide you with the most frequently tested rules for you to memorize in the most frequently tested areas of law, so that when you get those questions, and you will because they're always on the exam, when you get those questions, you will be totally confident in putting down the law because you have it in your inventory, you've memorized it, you've practiced it, you have it under your command. The keys here are, first of all, focus and memorization. Second, organization. Organizing your study, but moreover, organizing your writing. How to write the paragraph. We're going to teach you the under, here, therefore structure. How to outline your essay into 5 parts. That's a unique feature of the Gallagher Law Training Schools, the 5-part New York essay. How to write your essay on the page and make it obvious to the bar exam grader who is grading hundreds of essays or thousands of essays, who is very tired, very impatient, how to make your page stand out so that he knows that this is a competent answer. You have a cap, a head note at the top of your page, capital letters underlined, that tells him what's on that page. He doesn't have to burrow his way through the jungle to find out what is there. And finally, how to write your paragraph in 5 or 6 minutes. It is key on the New York bar exam that there are only 45 minutes for each essay. The examiners will tell you 41 for some, 44, 45 for others. Let's say 45 because the math is easier for us to do. If there are 45 minutes for each essay, you're only going to be able to spend 15 minutes reading and outlining, half an hour writing your essay. Therefore, you must divide your essay into segments so that you can time each segment, and in this class we will be teaching you how to do that. When you submit your essays here, you will immediately get those essays back, as immediately as we can make it, from our graders, and you will have responses and contact with the graders, so that nothing will be a mystery. You have immediate feedback for the class. In the first segment of the class, we are going to proceed very, very slowly, and you're going to see first how to write a paragraph, which is the key, which is the cornerstone, which is the brick, the material out of which the course is made. And then we're going to go to how you outline the essay. If you have an outline and then it has so many parts, you just produce those parts. You have a kind of job going to the factory and producing those paragraphs, and you walk out at the end of the day and you know you have done a wonderful job on the New York essays. That's a treat.